Tesla are trying to find investor popularity of 3-for-1 stock split. Electric automobile maker Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA, Inc. on Friday proposed a 3-to-1 inventory breakup, making its shares greater inexpensive following latest sell-offs of the maximum valuable automaker. The employer also said Oracle Corp. NYSE, ORCL, co-founder Larry Ellison, a pal of Tesla Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk, will not stand for re-election to Tesla's board when his term ends at this year's shareholder meeting. Ellison is among the Pinnacle buyers who've promised investment toward Musk's $44 billion acquisition of social media organization Twitter Inc. NYSE, TWTR. Shares of Austin, Texas-based Tesla rose more than 1% in prolonged trading on Friday. They have fallen nearly 40% when you consider that Musk unveiled his stake in Twitter in early April, hurt in component by means of a strict lockdown in Shanghai that has affected Tesla's manufacturing. Shareholders will vote on Tesla's proposed stock cut-up on August 4. If permitted, it'd be the business enterprise's first such action after a 5-for-1 cut-up in August 2020. Tesla stated the cut-up could permit its employees to have greater flexibility in dealing with their fairness and make its stock greater on hand to our retail shareholders. Alphabet, Nasdaq, Google, Inc., Apple Inc., Nasdaq, AAPL, and Amazon.com Inc., Nasdaq, AMZN, have additionally currently break up their shares. While a split has no pertaining to an employer's fundamentals, it could buoy the percentage charge via making it less complicated for a wider variety of buyers to personal the stock. Tesla can even ask shareholders to vote to lessen its board of administrators' terms to 2 years from 3. If approved, the terms might be staggered over 2 years. Meanwhile, proposals via Tesla shareholders include company governance-related gadgets including the right of personnel to form a union and Tesla's efforts to prevent sexual harassment and racial discrimination. In 2021, the National Labor Relations Board upheld a 2019 ruling that Tesla illegally fired a worker concerned in union organizing, and that the CEO had illegally threatened employees concerning unionization, in line with a stockholder concept mentioned in Tesla's submitting. In March, Musk invited hard work union United Auto Workers, UAW, to preserve a vote at Tesla's California manufacturing facility. But, Tesla does not have any formal coverage commitments to respect the proper to freedom of association, nor has it established how it'd correctly operationalize any such commitment, the Thought said. Tesla's board cautioned a vote in opposition to the notion, announcing Tesla recently multiplied the bottom pay for its production jobs and its miles actively engaged in protective personnel rights. Shareholders additionally proposed an annual document on Tesla's efforts to save sexual harassment and racial discrimination after it became hit by means of a string of lawsuits. A California civil rights employer filed a lawsuit accusing Tesla of failing for years to cope with significant racist conduct at its Fremont assembly plant. Tesla stated it does no longer tolerate discrimination, harassment, retaliation or any mistreatment of personnel in the workplace. Another decision requested Tesla to evaluate the effect of Tesla's present-day use of arbitration on the superiority of harassment and discrimination in its workplace. Shareholders additionally referred to as on the organization to report its policies to deal with perceived loss of gender and racial variety at its board.